thing. Hi guys, so in my last video I explained that I'm going to be studying abroad soon in London. So I thought I would give a few tips or just to show what I'm packing and how I'm packing for London in case anyone else is going abroad, and if anyone else wants suggestions or maybe some tips or just curious how to pack and study abroad. I've never studied abroad before, so maybe I'll make a video saying what I'm glad I packed or what I wish I did differently. So, okay, let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm back and I realized I messed up on this one part of the video, so I'm doing it again. So first, I made a list right here, so I knew what exactly I'm bringing, and I divided it into 3 sections. So the one is what to buy in the US, so things I needed to buy and that I was going to bring later, and then things to buy in London. So there are certain things that you can't buy here, like towels and sheets. Well, first of all, there's different bed sizes in the UK, so your sheets here might not fit your beds over, like the bed over there. Also, you don't want to bring towels and like things that are too big in your luggage because it will take up too much room. So under my what to buy in London section, I have towels, sheets like I mentioned, and I have shopping bags. So we have shopping bags here that we use for like Trader Joe's and Aldi and that kind of stuff. But over there, the majority of places don't use the plastic shopping bags as much as we do here. So I thought I would buy those over there. And I wrote out things that I wanted to bring. And for clothes, I actually wrote out each individual item so I could just check it off as I pack them into my bag, along with like the reusable type of things. I'm planning on bringing my to-go cup. I actually bought this in London last time I was there, but it's like a little to-go coffee cup. I'll insert a picture here. I think you get some money back, not a lot. It's cheaper when you use your own cup there, and I think they're a lot more environmentally friendly, well, definitely, than we are here. Oh, I also am bringing a few snacks that I eat here a lot just to get me going in the beginning till I find a product there that I like. I think they have Lar bars over there, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm bringing a few Lar bars. So I wrote things like an empty water bottle, which would be great. Empty because when you're going through security, you can't have it full. So make sure it's empty when you're bringing it. Oh, I also listed out the jewelry that I wanted to bring, and I'll get into that more. Like, I wrote I wanted to bring this necklace, and I'm only bringing 2 necklaces, so I'm planning on wearing them on the plane, just so I don't have to worry about them getting tangled and that kind of stuff. And so you also don't even have to do this just for when you're studying abroad. You can do this for any trip you want to go on. I actually do usually write a little list for myself, but it's not as detailed as this one. So now I'm going to talk about my London box, I guess you could say. This is the first time I've ever done this when I'm traveling. So basically, I just had a box laying around, like a cardboard box. This thing. What's this? Oh, so it's this. I started putting a bunch of different things that I'm not using at the time, and I just put them in the box for when I'm going away, so I have them all in one place, and I can just take it directly from the box and pack it. So I'm going to go through here and explain a little bit what I have. This is my first time doing this, so I've never done this when I'm actually just traveling for vacation. First, I have contacts. Make sure if you wear contacts or like medicines or anything, you call ahead and you say, hey, I'm going to be gone for a long time, and some solution too. I have also a travel size that you can bring on the plane, which is great. Oh, I also wanted to explain about my luggage that I'm bringing. So I have this one big suitcase that I'm bringing, and I also have a backpack, just that says my carry-on. I don't know, maybe I have to bring another little suitcase as my carry-on, but I'll see once I'm done. Since we're going to be studying abroad and it's school, I'm bringing some folders, 2 folders, and just like a one subject notebook. I didn't want to bring a five subject one because that would be too heavy, so I just thought one would be good. Oh, and I have some pencils along with that. And also, my notebook I'm gonna bring with me because it's just a great idea to bring pictures with you. So I use this little pocket in here so they don't get like crushed or anything or bent, and I just put my Polaroids that I'm bringing in there, and it's a great way to decorate your room. And I have like regular pictures too, and you can just go to CVS, and if you don't have a Polaroid camera, just print out some pictures that you really like. I also have this little bag. It came with my jacket, so it's great that I could just throw it in here and it doesn't take up too much room. So that's awesome. I'm bringing tape to hang up my pictures, and some things, like I know you could get this there, but some things you just won't think about once you're there. You're not gonna think, oh my gosh, I need to get tape, when you're not gonna use it. So like when the time comes and you need it, you would have it. So it's good because you don't really think about that. I have a planner. I actually got this for Christmas, but it's like a perfect travel size. I also am bringing some packing cubes with me. This one is for your shoes. Also, here's a tip. To wear your heaviest clothing items onto the plane with you, so your luggage is not too heavy. So like I'm wearing my teddy jacket onto the plane, and I think I'm wearing my Doc Martens on the plane with me because those are my heaviest clothing items. And I'm bringing these like little bags to like also put my shoes in too, so they don't dirty my other clothes. So I have this pill box here. It's just from Walmart. They're really cheap, and I forget where I saw this, but it's a great way to store your jewelry without getting it tangled. Necklaces might just get tangled from being in there, but it's a perfect way to put earrings in there and kind of stuff, and it's small, so you can just throw it in your carry-on. So I could just like throw these earrings in there, and then I'm ready to go. I don't have to worry about them getting lost or anything. So I also got these adapters. I just ordered them on Amazon. These are for the UK, and because they have the 3 prongs, and this one is just for the rest of Europe. I'm planning to go traveling throughout Europe, so I would need this. This one only has 1 plug, and you could charge 3 at the same time, which I thought would be great. And yeah, so make sure you order these beforehand. I also brought resistance bands, so I'm going to get a gym membership there hopefully, so I just like to work out at home sometimes, and I thought bringing my resistance bands is just an easy way to bring some equipment if you need anything. They're just really light, and there's about 5 in here I think, and like it's so small you can just throw it into your luggage, and yeah. So I also brought these shampoo and conditioner that I'm just gonna bring, and so you don't have to worry about it in the beginning. You know, in the beginning you're probably gonna be running around and just getting everything situated, getting used to everything. So I thought like not having to worry about buying shampoo and conditioner for a while in the beginning would be great. So yeah, and it's always like important to just bring medicines in case you get sick or something, or if you have a headache like ibuprofen, you don't have to run out to the store and get something when you're there. So you just have it on you in case you get sick, so you can take it then. Hey guys, so it's a few days later and I've started packing. Actually, I'm almost done. So I'm just leaving out a few things that I need up until the very last minute that I'm going to throw in my bag then. So yeah. Hi Sadie. So we're packing. I hope this video was really helpful. I hope you learned some tips of how to pack to study abroad or just to pack for any occasion. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Soon you'll be seeing me go to London, and I'll be posting a bunch of videos there, and I hope you enjoy. So I'll see you soon.